Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be trying out these three ingredients for dark spots. So on the norms, I won't use this on my face, but because of my stubborn acne and dark spots, I'll be trying this out. So number one, we'll be using Colgate. Now, to a certain extent, yes, toothpaste can help dry and zap out spots on your face. So I'll be adding this to my ingredients. But on the norms, I don't think I would want to add toothpaste to my face. So next we'll be adding baking soda. Now baking soda is a perfect and great exfoliating agent which helps to remove dead skin cell. It also balances the pH level of the skin, and that is very important in maintaining a clear skin. It will leave your face looking brighter and feeling fresher. So that is why we're adding baking soda to the what's it called, to the mixture, to help us take out dead skin. Now the next we'll be adding is coconut oil. So you can use coconut oil, you can use olive oil. I'm adding this coconut oil because this will serve as a moisturizer to help hydrate the skin, and it is also beneficial against acne. Now do not use this every day, or you may end up drying out or irritating your skin. So once or twice a week is fine if you're going to try this for your dark spot also. Once or twice a week is fine. So this was a video that was recommended, or should I say requested, by one of my friends. So she said she has tried this before and it worked on her face. So since I have dark spots too, I decided to try it also, because when I researched online, I saw so many people talking about it, everybody saying it's good. But let us try it and let us see. So now I'm going to use my hand to apply it on my face. I'm just going to do this. I'm going to apply it like marks, face marks. So feel free to let us know in the comment section what you use for your dark spots or your stubborn acne, if you have anyone, because anytime I try something for my stubborn acne or my dark spots, it will go at first, then later it will look like it will come back and it's telling me hope you didn't miss me. So because of that, I keep trying different things for my acne, but they keep coming back actually. So I'll keep trying till I find the perfect match. So now I'm just going to be using this brush to scrub, to exfoliate all the dead skin and all of that. Please do not forget to like and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, kindly turn on the notification bell after subscribing. So I'm going to be trying this only at night before going to bed, once or twice a week for 3 weeks at least. Make sure your brush is soft actually. Take care of that later. As you can see, it's already bringing out dirt. I'm going to scrub my forehead too, because I have rash and rashes and pimples there. I'm going to scrub my nose very well because I usually have a goosey there. So now, after scrubbing and scrubbing very well, I'm just going to allow this sit for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to wash it off. So I'm done. We'll wait for 5 minutes, then I wash it off. So I'm done, and I used just water to like wash the whole thing off. And guys, I'm feeling refreshed. Like I'm feeling cool. I'm feeling, I don't know, there's this feeling, I don't know. So I hope and I pray this works. Anyways, if you've tried this before, let us know in the comment section. Let us know how you felt after the whole thing. Let us know if this really works, guys. I would love to know. So I'm going to be using this once or twice a week for like 3 weeks. Let me see if truly my dark spot is going to like go away. So I would know by the end of 3 weeks. But I'm feeling cool, like my face is, oh my goodness, I don't know. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Have an amazing day. Bye. See you on the next video. Bye bye.